All right, agents, another thing that we need to do to make sure that everything goes smoothly with the $50,000 sweepstakes for your app, we want to make sure that they're getting your app. They're not just downloading the app and you're not getting credit for it. We want to make sure that you guys qualify for that download. So if you guys are they've set up some campaigns in eEdge, or a campaign. If you want to use that campaign on your database, we want to make sure that you guys set this up right. So let's start from MyKW. What we want to do is open up another tab here. We want to get your app's information. So let's go to the marketing, because the app resides in eAgency. So if we click the plus sign here, eAgency website, and then click on 4.0 mobile property search, and all we want to do is just want to grab your URL. So when they click to download the app, we want them to go to your app's URL, not to KW International's download app where they don't have your code. So we just hit copy on that. That's all we need. We just copied that. And now all we have to do is go into marketing, create and manage campaigns. And then we just have to update a couple links on the campaign because it goes to the generic app at this point. So we're going to click on the advanced option here. And then click view all. Scroll all the way to the bottom, mobile app sweepstakes. Click on that. We'll just hit next step. We're going to hit next step again. We're going to get to delivery option 3. We have to change out a couple things here. We have to edit the download your app button because it's linked to KW's page right now. So I'll show you. If they click on it right now, I'll show you what it looks like. So this comes to them. They say, get my app. They click, and it goes to Keller Williams International's page here to download the app, and they lose your code. So what we want to do is we want to edit each one of these pieces. So click edit. And remember, we copied your URL, so that's still in our computer's clipboard. Hit start editing. So all we want to do is click on get my free app, unlink, then link, and Control V, your app's URL. We hit OK. Save. I'm just going to save it as 1. It doesn't really matter what you save it as, just as long as you save it. So now that button goes to your app. So that's piece number 1. And then we go to piece number 2. Click edit. And I'll also show you how to launch this as well. Start editing. And then get free app. It's kind of hidden in there. Unlink, link, paste in that URL. We'll just save that one as 2. And then we're going to do the last piece. Yes. And scroll on down, hit edit. And we will let it do its thing here and load. Hit start editor and download app. Unlink, link, paste in, hit OK, hit OK. File save as number 3, hit save. So we've set it all up to come directly to us. Now we exit the editor, say yep. And the way the campaign is set up, so you guys can change this as well, is it's going to go out on the 18th. We're going to change that to the 19th, so the first piece will go out tomorrow. And then if you're coming in here and that piece is not available, you may have missed it. So it'll come out the second piece. Second one will go out on the 24th, and the last one will go out on the 14th. You can change that to go out, let's go, maybe we want to get that out a little earlier than the 14th because it ends on the 14th. So it's kind of a last-ditch effort there. So and then we'll hit next step. And now here's where it's going to load your contacts. I would just add everybody in your database to this. Very simple little download for them, and another instant nice touch on your behalf. So it's taking a second here to load my database. This is a large large number of contacts in here. So if you do have a large database, just give it a second. So then all you'd have to do is just hit select all and hit add and then save campaign. I'm not going to do that in this case. Let's see here, and then once it grabs everything here, you hit add. I want to just do that to show you the steps. Come on. Come on. I'm going to hit add anyways. It's going to pop up and have you previewed all your pieces. And I'm just going to say yes. Again, your guys should go a lot faster than this. It's just a large amount of contacts here that's bogging it down. So it's loading. It's just going to say, yep, I previewed, I'm good. And actually, I'm just going to skip by just to shorten this video, but you hit that and then hit save campaign and you're done. I'm not going to do that for this because I don't want to send it to all those people. But that's all you have to do to use the campaign part of the sweepstakes.